How do we stop kids from being horrible? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a crucial topic. How do we stop kids from being horrible? From tantrums to teaching empathy, raising kind-hearted kids is no small feat. Let's dive into practical tips and strategies. Stick around for a quick Q&A session at the end. And don't forget to check out the fantastic resources mentioned for more in-depth information. Understanding the behavior. Kids often misbehave because they are learning to navigate the world. It could be due to unmet needs, lack of communication skills, or testing boundaries. Recognizing the root cause is the first step. For more on child behavior, visit healthychildren.org. Setting clear boundaries. Kids need clear and consistent boundaries to thrive. Here are some tips. 1. Be consistent. Consistency helps children understand the consequences of their actions. 2. Positive reinforcement. Reward good behavior with praise or extra playtime. For more tips, visit Center for Parenting Education. Effective communication. Open communication is key. Encourage kids to express their feelings and thoughts by 1. Active listening. Show you are listening by nodding and paraphrasing what they say to ensure they feel heard and valued. 2. Empathy. Teach them to understand others' feelings through role-playing. Check out Child Mind Institute for more resources. Modeling good behavior. Kids learn by watching adults. Be a role model in your actions. 1. Lead by example. Demonstrate empathy, patience, and respect. 2. Positive conflict resolution. Show how to resolve conflicts peacefully. Visit Positive Discipline for more tips. Teaching problem-solving skills. Equip kids with problem-solving skills to manage frustration. 1. Calm down techniques. Teach deep breathing or counting to 10. 2. Brainstorm solutions. Encourage them to think of multiple solutions to a problem. Visit Parenting Science for more strategies. Encouraging empathy and compassion. Cultivate empathy from a young age. 1. Books and stories. Use books that highlight empathy and kindness, like my own, The Incredible Journey of Blossom's Emotions and Others. 2. Volunteering. Engage in community service as a family. The National Association for the Education of Young Children, NAEYC, provides great resources on promoting empathy. Discipline with love. Discipline should be about teaching, not punishing. 1. Timeouts. Use timeouts for reflection, not as a punishment. 2. Natural consequences. Let natural consequences occur when safe. Encouraging positive social interactions. Help kids develop social skills. 1. Play dates. Arrange play dates to learn sharing and cooperation. 2. Team sports. Enroll them in team sports for teamwork and discipline. Q&A session. Time for some Q&A. What if my child doesn't respond to positive reinforcement? Ensure rewards are immediate and meaningful to them. Understand their motivations. How can I teach my child to handle bullying? Teach them to seek help from adults, stay calm, and not retaliate. Role-play different scenarios to practice responses. So there you have it, folks. Stopping kids from being horrible is about understanding, patience, and consistency. If you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more. Drop any questions in the comments below. Check out my books, The Incredible Journey of Blossom's Emotions, Brave Beyond Her Years, Howard the Busy Hummingbird, and the Unstoppable Trio of Joyville for stories that teach valuable lessons in confidence, empathy, and teamwork. Links to my books on Amazon are in the description. Thanks for watching.